Hello, good evening, everyone, and I'm back with another update with Troncase Pro. I haven't checked in with this program for quite a while because I don't have that much invested in this smart contract, and it began at 0.5%. So for those of you that are new joining us, let's do a quick recap of what this smart contract is all about. This is actually the second Troncase smart contract. The first one lasted, I think, maybe 8 or 9 months. And then the community decided to withdraw their funds. And then that was that. So they've changed the contract a little bit to encourage people to stay in the contract a little longer and hopefully not drain it before everyone has a chance to reap some of the benefits. So you can read these items on your own. There is an audit report. They're promising that the code is free from errors and it doesn't have a backdoor and things like that. And this is general information about, I would say it applies to smart contracts in general. You know, they have a marketing plan, which some of the fees go to that. There is security because it's on the Tron blockchain, so that can't be changed. Once a transaction goes on there, it can't be reversed. So if you made a mistake and sent something to someone else's account, you just gave them some Tron. So Merry Christmas. So it's pretty transparent. It's decentralized and it's instant transaction. So no delays for the Tron smart contract. And let's go over what the basic platform conditions are. So you need 100 TRX to begin with, and the maximum deposit per transaction is 4 million TRX. For this smart contract, you'll get a total ROI of 200%, and that includes the amount that you deposited. Okay. So the basic earning rate is 0.5% every 24 hours. And then there's a personal hold bonus of 0.1% for every 24 hours that you don't withdraw your funds. Okay. And so you can read a little bit more about that detail here. Now they have a contract total balance bonus, a community bonus, and a leader bonus. These are very lofty. We're not anywhere near these amounts, but I'll read it anyway. So for the contract total balance bonus, there will be a 0.2% for every $1 billion of TRX that's on the platform balance. I think this number was pretty low the first go round, which probably contributed to some of the withdrawal, because like once you're an owner of a contract and you have an available balance to withdraw, you're in every right. You can withdraw whatever is yours. And so when larger depositors started withdrawing their money or their TRX, then other people started withdrawing theirs as well. So there you go. And now we're at contract number 2. The community bonus, that will be 0.1% for every 10 million active users. They're nowhere near 1 million. So I'm not sure why they're setting that bar really high, because that would suppose that they were advertising and getting the word out there, like, nationally, internationally, so that many people, even 1 million people, would be on the platform. But I didn't write the contract, and it's their right to do it. The leader bonus, very similar. That won't be activated, the 0.1%, until the platform distributes 1 billion TRX in commissions. And this is where the commissions come in. So they have 11 levels, starting at 7%, going all the way down to 0.5%. So share those referral links with your associates, and let's see what happens. And then they are doing a recommended strategy. You can read through those. I recommend that you invest any amount that you know that you're willing to lose, because it is a risk with these smart contracts. You don't know how long they're gonna last. So if you're just in the market, just do what you can. Right now, I believe TRX is still trading at 8 cents. So 100 TRX would be $8. So if you want to fool around with it just to see what is going on and see if it's something that you might want to dive deeper into, this would be a great place to start. It goes very slowly, but hey, it's steady. They do have a community on YouTube and also on Telegram, so check those out. I'm not sure if anyone is answering at the email address, but you can certainly try. I'll go over what's been contributed so far. So as you can see, the current bonus is 1.5. They have a little over 20,000 participants. And this is that 55 million TRX contributed? And let's check the contract on Tronscan, see how that's going. So right now there's a little over 17 million TRX in the contract, and that's the equivalent of 1.7 million US dollars. To date, there's been 42,083 transactions, and this smart contract was created on July the 10th, 2021. And let's just check. I don't think we're going to be able to do a withdrawal today, but let's just check on the contract to see how it's doing. So we deposited 100 TRX, I think maybe a week after launch. What it's gained to date is 76.6318 TRX. What we've earned overall is 1477.4320 and withdrawn 1400.8 TRX. And so I haven't actually withdrawn from this smart contract. And this one, which I like about this, when you do gain referral rewards, it goes directly to your wallet. So nothing to do there. You don't have to keep coming back to check every day. So those rewards go directly to your wallet. And that's a pretty nice thing. So if you are a beginner, this would be a nice contract just to feel your way around a smart contract, to get your feet wet, and something just to check out. So, and as we always say, safe investing, and just be careful. If you have any new contracts that are out there that you guys would like for me to review, please send them my way. Just send me a message on YouTube or on Facebook in our Facebook page, and I'll be happy to look into it. Some of them that I've looked at, I always try to do a small transaction just to see if they will work. If it doesn't work with my system, I do not use the phone app at all, but I will use the Tron link in the browser. That's what I use because it's better for recording videos and things like that. If it doesn't work, I'll send you a message and let you know that I'm not going to promote it or do a review on it, or I might do a review and say, hey, it didn't work for me. So anywho, let's talk next time, and happy investing.